the King's Castle from another view on the other side of the canal. And here's the city and Grand Hotel. I will walk down there somehow. It is so hot today, but I am not complaining. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. And somewhere in that direction I will find the bridge to Djurgården. And you see, you look, there's no shadow anywhere. Love you. In the distance you see Gröna Lund. This is just a different place of Stockholm where we didn't go. Strandvägen. I don't know, maybe the most expensive street in Stockholm. Okay, so at least I'm here at the bridge now. And oh, it's so hot. Some guy, he didn't feel too good about this heat. So this is where I came from. All the way here, and onto the bridge. I just have to stop here for a minute. Try to cool down. Oh, so lucky, I found a bench in the shade. People already returning from Gröna Lund. What a beautiful day. What an absolute beautiful day. And here is a tram. I found the old trams. Pretty, right? And the ferry is leaving Gröna Lund. And behind that you can see Södermalm. And I guess that church tower is where you lived. And the big ferry that goes to Finland, Viking Line. Yeah. It's part of Gröna Lund. I found my way down here to the water. It's a little bit cooler here. And new ferry arrives. And someone's going up on a roller coaster. I don't think that's for me, man. You really have to insist and hold my hand very hard. And just behind the Tivoli, or amusement park, is these tiny little places. And it looks like people live in them. Been to Gröna Lund many times, but I had no idea behind it is a very quiet and calm park where one can have an ice cream. Tiny little road, and even smaller roads. Wonder why there's no one here. Oh, there's one thing. Tesla, of course. It's like a green oasis in the middle of the concrete jungle and no one is here. And then green fields. And it's still only me here. This is a weird looking tree. But not as weird as these. But these look more like sculptures. And look, man, sheeps. Many sheeps. And they're smelly. Ew. You think they're dangerous? You think they're going to eat me? I never talked to sheeps before.